All right, so we wanted to set up a tire swing in our yard, so we picked a spot right there. Got a rope today, and all you need, we found this tire down the street in our neighbor's yard, and we got 3 of these, so you just need one of these, the bolt for it, and a washer. So what I'm doing is taking this, and I don't have a drill bit, so I'm just sticking this in there and cutting little holes. And what I've done is stick this through a washer and then bolt it. And then what we're gonna do is see, I don't know any knots, but we're gonna look up knots and see how to make one line down with the knot up top and then knot it again, so we have 3 going separately and probably a couple feet up so it's out of the way. All right, so I got my little screw in there. That's what we're gonna go with, but make sure they're somewhat equidistant. I think they're not awful right now, but I'm gonna go right here. Drill them a couple times. Now, if you have a real drill bit, it'll be a lot easier, but I'm just doing this over and over.
You should have went on the G.
Nah, that's fine.
No.
It's gonna take me a little bit, so we'll just skip ahead. All right, make sure you drink your yerb. So I drilled this, so you're just gonna shove this through. It'll be a lot cleaner if you have an actual drill, but I'm just using a screw on my drill. And then washer and put it over it. And I'm just going finger tight for now, but you can tighten it with the reel. I can't figure out how to get the water out of a tire. You'd think it'd be easier.
Just shake
It's
it.
like, no, we've rolled it across the yard over and over.
Yeah, but it's shaking it now.
Break these. All right, let's move it over there. All right, apparently she knows how to do the knot. Oh, that's it?
It's just a knot.
Okay, but it looks like he doubled it up. I don't know how to do that. Let's see it. So it's just like a normal wrap around, pull through knot.
I mean, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see if it works. All right, so next we gotta throw that around that little limb we're using, and then you just pull the rope through. All right, I'm gonna make myself look stupid. I'm not gonna get it first. Nope. I didn't even go over the tree. Oh,
One more try and I'm
I
going.
was gonna say, do you want to do it?
God
All right,
damn.
you try. Here, give me a hand. How? It's a knot. You got this? First tee.
Wait, I did better from the other side. Yeah.
All right, now we just pull it through the little. Yeah, pull it through the loop.
This?
Yeah, just pull it all the way through. Just pull the whole rope through. Start from. That's not the efficient way to do it.
I think it's the best way to do it.
I don't think so.
See? Perfect.
Yeah, but you could just do it all at once.
Well, maybe you should shut your mouth
Do you not get what I'm saying? Pull it. Just the one. Yeah, like that. That's. You see why I was confused now?
off. Wait,
There you go.
not gonna go around it.
You gotta go hard. Just pull it all the way. All right,
It's a
so
rusty knife.
the way you cut these things is you put electrical tape, and then you gotta use. Yeah, that's pretty crappy. We'll see if that works or not. But that's the only way to get a clean cut. And you have to cut about 5'6" off the ground, and then you do the other 3 parts around it, and we'll have to tie a knot.
Do not do it like this.
That's sketchy. You want me to help?
No.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Oh, it is kind of working. All right, so first you tie this loop in there. Are you tall enough for it?
Okay, a little bit. Okay. I need another piece of rope now.
All right. You mean the end of it?
Yeah.
Alright, so take the end of the rope you cut, put through there, and then tie another simple knot through it. Does that seem right? I think it just has to be thick enough so that it can hold it in, right?
Yeah.
But we're probably gonna have to add another one or 2, so just make sure it's tight enough. And then the idea is you just cut each of these and you put 3 down so it can just go to each of those. So once you put the knot through up there and tie the rope to itself, down here you just cut it at whatever height you want the swing to be at. And just remember, it's gonna tighten those knots when you pull it all down onto the swing. All right, here's our second one. It's tied to itself through the other knot, and then at the same length. All right, now if our slip knots worked, which we realized that it's gonna separate out, so it's gonna be kind of high. But if our slip knots work and our knots work, then this should be it. You just tie it on there. You're kidding me, right? Did you just undo all the knots?
Well, it wouldn't have held us.
I don't know how I missed the perfect video, but we set it up and she immediately knocked the ladder over right after I told her to move it. So I found, I found a good knot for the bottom, but I don't know how much we trust the knots up there. So just gonna have to let it sit for a while. All right, thanks for watching this video on how to make a tire swing. And I'm gonna make more videos. I'll make more videos. Go watch my other video. I'm gonna make more videos. Bye. Say bye.
I'm the only one, you know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's all